everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I filmed one of these videos. It just got really busy out in the real world. Damn you, real world. But I'm here now. And I have this quarter's FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. And for $49.99 a quarter, I think. Let me check. It's been a minute. Hold on. Yes, for $49.99, you get a box full of stuff. And it is, according to them, always worth more than $200 retail. So, while I usually have a lot of fun with this box doing customizations, and that's something I really like to focus on when I make FabFitFun videos, I did not customize this box. Just like how I haven't made videos, things have been really busy and I missed the customization window. So I guess we're gonna see what we get and we won't be upset. All right, no guarantees that we won't be upset, but let's jump in. So inside of the box is more beautiful patterns. And you get this little magazine that actually functions like an actual magazine. There's like little articles and stuff and interviews, I guess, ways to use the stuff in the box, or talking about the themes of the stuff in the box. There's also a page that tells you what all of the customization options are. On the front of this box it says that this box is in support of the Global Gift Foundation and the Eva Longoria Foundation. I noticed with last season's box that it was paired up with the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. I think that this might be a thing that they're just doing now, where there's a charity tie-in, and I'm not sure how far that goes. I don't know if a portion of the proceeds go or if they're just bringing awareness. If you know, tell me. Yeah, so let's jump in. First thing I'm pulling out is soft. I don't know what it is. It says it's a 59-inch towel. And it doesn't feel like a towel. It is a towel nonetheless, I guess. Hold please.
5 minutes later.
This is the V. Paula Hermione Lotus Towel. And this was one of 3 options. Let's see. I really like the colors of this. Ooh, cute! Hey, it's not like a rectangular towel. It is literally lotus shaped. Very cute. Let's see, I'll show you a picture because it's too big for me to hold into the whole frame. It looks like this right here. And your other options for this would have been mini travel blow dryer, or Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I love that stuff, but I have a giant jar of it, so I'm happy with my towel. I guess also there was a kimono option. Right. The next thing that I got in my box is a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It's a sheet mask Oh, too shiny box, sorry. You see that? It is a box of sheet masks. And this sheet mask, there are 5 in here. Woo! Decadent. This set of treatments have 24 karat gold and Rosa Damascena extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. Okay, these are the bougiest sheet masks. I mean, usually I get, you know, a bunch of sheet masks for just a few dollars. These are not those sheet masks. These are not some basic bitch sheet masks. These are a set of 5 gold flaked sheet masks. Whew. That retail price though. What? I don't even know right now. Okay. So I got these sheet masks. The other options here would have been a set of West Elm bowls, a tote bag, or a letterboard. So these bowls, this tote bag, or this felt board for making little signs would have been the other customization options for this. Whew. Those are some expensive sheet masks, y'all. I can't right now. I need, whew, I'm schwitzing. Whew. Okay, all right. I had focus. The next thing that I have here, it looks like, it's a big box. I can't balance it in front of the camera. I have to like look over at it. Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace. Let's see. From Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. Let's see what this, I love star necklaces. I like star jewelry and stars in general. Pants with stars on them. I have a few star necklaces already, so actually kind of excited. All right, this one looks like gold tone. Aw, it's like a double strand, just little delicate stars twinkling. That's pretty. I'm super happy with that, actually. It's probably like something small like that, what I'm wearing now. But a double strand. Let's see. The other customization options in this category would have been some resistance bands for working out. Some silicone wine glasses. So these silicone wine glasses or these workout bands were the other customization options in this category. Silicone wine glasses, that would have been interesting. Okay, let's see. The next thing that I see is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. This is a multitasker like that. It's an all-natural balm. Put it wherever you like. It's balmy. You can use it to relieve burns, scrapes, sensitive and dry skin, chapped lips, or as baby ointment, or apparently for beauty hacks, quote unquote. Can you see that? That's kind of funny. Yeah. It's an awesome balm. Put it wherever you want. They don't care. There's no rules. You're the boss. That's your balm now. The other things in this category are a Kula SPF 30 setting spray. That is a sunscreen setting spray. That would have been nice, actually. I don't think I would have minded that. Or an Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. I don't know what that means. Jojoba beans, and it reveals refined pores. So I guess it's an exfoliator. So yeah, I got that instead of those things. Now I actually did get the Ico I Do liquid eyeliner pen. I have used Ico pens before. They go on pretty nicely. The lines are like thick and opaque the way you like. You know, sometimes with the marker type pens, they aren't evenly black, but Ico seems to be pretty evenly and densely black. I'm not sure what makes this one different from the ones I've used before, but I guess I look forward to finding out. And the other options for that: Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream, or a mystery item, which I didn't get, so I don't know what that would have been. The next items are items that were in every box. So all members got the same items. There weren't customization options. So a box of Invisibobbles, which are basically my favorite thing ever. I love these hair clips. I don't have either of these colors, actually. One's clear and one's kind of a beige. But I have so many of these. I have purple ones, and I have gold ones, and I have black ones. They basically, if you put your hair up in a pony, it comes out kinkless if you use these. You don't get the ponytail wave that you would ordinarily from wrapping your hair up. So these are genius, and if you've never tried these, you should. They're highly affordable. Go get some. Okay, the next item that was in every box is this Grace and Stella Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. There we go. I love a good spritz. This one, just a midday refresher, rose infused mist, leaving you fresh and moisturized. Everybody knows a good mist is good for the soul, I guess. I like it anyway. Next item that is in every box is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It is a clay mask. It has Davidson Plum in it. I guess that's what makes it purple. It is for rejuvenating dull skin and boosting hydration. And the last item that was in all of the boxes is this Wish exfoliating foot mask. Shiny boxes are the bane of my reveal existence. Let's see, is the inside packaging that shiny? No, there we go. That's what we're gonna do. This exfoliates, polishes, soothes, and smooths the skin of your feet. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Coconut milk and verbena. As soon as I opened that box, I could smell it, and it smells delightful. I am putting that immediately next to my bed, which is good because it says on here that the best time to use it is at nighttime. So it can really sink in. And that is, double check, everything in my FabFitFun box this season. I'm really happy with the things that came, even though I didn't get to customize the box like I usually do. And I might have tried some of the other options had I given the choice. Had I been given the choice. Like I said, was given the choice. Had I paid attention and met with deadlines, I might have made different choices, but I also am not really mad at anything that I got. This towel is super pretty. I could have used that for my school picnic yesterday. A little overwhelmed by these really stupidly expensive sheet masks. I sheet mask all the time, and wow, I can't wait to see how much better these are than a normal sheet mask, let's say. Part of me thinks they're not going to be that much better, but I guess we'll find out. So, hang on, and I'm going to do all the math for you. And we'll see if this box was indeed worth more than $200, as they suggest it always will be. Ta-da! Well, there you have it. Do you think that this is worth it? Let me know down below. It's been so long. I would love to chat with everyone. Let me know what you liked the best in the box. And if you think it was worth the price. This is one of the more expensive boxes that I get. I don't know, I really miss doing this. Thank you for watching. It is a delight to get back at it, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye. For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top right. If you would like to see what we get up to in our lives around here, click the playlist in the top left. Put my last unboxing down in the bottom, and you can click my face to subscribe. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. We have fun!